Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about this little thing, which is a water sensor. We got these with our Vivint alarm system. They integrate with our Vivint alarm, so we can detect water leakage wherever it may happen. So you can put these behind toilets, you can put them next to your washing machine or in the tray of your washing machine that catches water. You can put it in your water heater upstairs. Like ours happens to be in this model home, happens to be upstairs in an attic, which is a terrible idea because if it does leak or whatever, it's going to ruin multiple floors below it. So you want to detect water as quick as you can to minimize that damage. So I'm kind of a freak about that. When I leave the house, I make sure to turn off all water of the house. So I make sure that if it does leak from any of the little pipes and things like that, from my connections to the washer, that it won't leak that much. But this gives me a little bit more peace of mind when I'm away from the house, and it's a small little thing. And you can see at the bottom of it, this is the Vivint one for our Vivint alarm. You can see that it's got little sensors in it. And how you actually test the sensor, you can put it in water if you want to test it, but how you test it is if you put it in the palm of your hand, the connection will be made and you'll be notified that there is a potential water issue. So here we go.
Alarm, laundry, room, water, sensor.
So when that happens, you get a message on your phone that there's water detection. You can hear the alert, so you hear the audio of the alert if you happen to be home. Gracie doesn't like beeping, so she really doesn't like water leakage, so she's up here making sure that everything's okay. So this isn't only for when you're gone, this is a great thing to have when you're home. So we had some friends that lived down the block from us that had a slow leak of their toilet. Behind their toilet was slowly leaking, they had no idea. And it started seeping under their floor and it ruined a whole bunch of their flooring. They had to actually have a bunch of subflooring removed and that sort of thing because it started to mold and they didn't even realize it. So something like this would actually, it's a cheap thing that would really help protect you and catch things like that. So, and it integrates and tells you, so it alarms you when you're here, and if you're not here, it pops in your phone and gives you the warning that you have an issue, so you can call someone to come over and take care of the problem. So this is just another handy device that you can add. It's a good add-on to your Vivint alarm system. You can get a bunch of these. They're really not that expensive, and they integrate really well with it. So again, another add-on. And you can basically click on the link below. There's a 30%, up to 30% discount with Vivint and Vivint alarms using our code below. So click on that link if you're interested and you want to take a look at something like this to add on to your Vivint alarm. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.